Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use aim assist in Marvel Rivals, or more how to adjust your aim assist settings if you are playing with a controller. It's kind of crucial. So the first thing you want to do is subscribe to the channel. You knew I was going to do that, come on now. After that you want to go right to the top to that little options cog and then go into settings. From here, you want to go to the controller tab and make sure you are in the combat section. Next, you're going to see advanced settings. We'll have a little plus icon, and this will open a whole lot of controller aim assist settings and so forth, dead zones and things like that. However, you want to scroll down to aim assist window size, and here you can adjust from 0 to 100. You can adjust the aim assist strength. You can set up your aim assist ease in for the different hero types like projectile heroes, melee heroes, and so forth. And that's it. That is up to you how you want to set it all up. Thanks for watching the video and have a good one.